So, I'm Gábor Horváth, a PhD student right now. I did several Google Summer of Code projects and also interned at Apple last summer. So, and I'm mainly working with compilers, static analysis, and CodeCompass is one of the tools that my team is working on.
Okay, and we're good to go.
Okay, so as a developers, we spend most of our time reading code, not writing it. So it would be great to have tooling to assist us actually understand what legacy code does. So this tool is aimed to do just that. So let's do a quick demo. This is so LLVM is parsed with this tool, and I will search for definition. So code search is one of the most basic feature that we actually need, and with this tool we can visualize several properties of the codes. For example, we might be curious what the inheritance lattice looks like, and right now I'm interested in this instance call class. So if I go to this instance call class, then I can query additional information. For example, I might be curious that how this class is used. So for example, I could query what global variables have this type, or what functions have this as a parameter, or what functions return this type as a parameter, or I might be interested in the methods that this class have, for example, the public methods. Let's look at this getDecl method, and let's try to actually understand what it does. So, sorry? Oh, well, I will try to, but it doesn't really matter what is there. I would like to show mainly graphical stuff, so you will get the idea even if you cannot see the text. So first, I might be curious how this method is used. So one of the diagrams I could query is a function call diagram, and in this case, I can see what functions call this function, and also what functions are called by this function. And this also tracks virtual calls. So if this function might be called because of a virtual dispatch, then it is also marked on this diagram. So I can check where this function is used and from which source file. So I already understand how this function is used. So let's see how this function works. So one of the pain points when we try to understand such functions is that it calls on other functions which might be in other source files, and it would be great to see all of the important pieces of code next to each other. So for example, if I click to a call to get origin expr, it is just another call. So basically, I might be curious what this variable is, and I can see its type, but I can also go to other call chains, and I can click the calls until I get something that actually has some interesting piece of code, and these code snippets are from multiple files. So basically it is very easy to display only the relevant information together, close to each other, and we do not need to keep track of what is the call chain, which function is in which file. So it's a very concise way to present this information to the developer. And once we found, for example, the source of the bug that we were working to solve, then we can check who introduced it using the blame view. So we also have the version control information parsed in alongside with the source code, and this can also be a great help for us. Thank you for your attention.